Welcome. If you want to set up alarm clock in your LG G8X ThinQ, for the first you have to open your clock, then go for the alarm, and here we can activate the default alarm, but we can also customize our own. So click right here. Here we can set up the date, the time, and here we can choose the day when we want to get our alarm. So let's go for the Monday, for example. Here we can activate vibration and also the sound. Here's the snooze duration. We can go for maybe for the 10 minutes, and we can also show an animation of the current weather, and we have to grant the permission to get access to the location for our clock to let it happen. And we can also add some note and just set up the puzzle lock. So after we put it in the one piece, we'll be able to stop the alarm. So it is for everyone who takes a lot of snooze when the clock is ringing. I think it's really cool and not a very common function. And if you set up everything, you have to click on the save right here, and as you can see, our alarm is activated. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.